What's going on, family? What's going on? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm at my favorite spot to be, which is places that sell products over talent. I'm actually in AutoZone picking up a few things for my tune-up. I got to get a extreme tune-up done. My truck is sick, so I got to fix my baby, keep her up and going. You know what I mean? My money maker. Make sure I keep her up and going. But just sitting there, just looking at some of the stuff in here, man. It is all about products over talent, man. Like, you don't even believe, like, you don't even know, you don't even understand, like, what it is really all about. Like, literally, products over talent. I tell you what, man. And it don't take a rocket scientist to see what it's all about, nigga. Cosmetic stuff, from necessity things. And that's the crazy thing is because literally a lot of stuff, the main stuff that's really valuable are the necessity items, you know. The ones that actually help you maintain. They got some vascular treatment. Never heard of that one. They got a lot of different stuff in here, though. That's for sure. And it all depends on what you need to at that. Like everything is different though. Yep. You got this all in one. I don't know which one is. Oh, that's the best one. Let's check this stuff out of here.